Okay, here's he's not cute, but he did something
cute.
He did something really, really cool. Please tell us about it, Dean. The KK4DAS.
Well, hey, everybody. So I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to play guitar. I don't have fancy head cameras, but I did. You're welcome. I did, over the last couple of years, with some help from Mike and other Elmers of the club, I've been doing some restoration of old radios. This is called a Hallicrafters World-Wide, and this is what passed for a portable radio in around 1955. You could take this on a cruise with you. See, there's no battery, there's no wires or anything. There's a battery in there, 90-volt battery, which I have rebuilt and placed 10 9-volt batteries in. I've gone through and replaced all the tubes. Now I'm going to see if we can get some shortwave in here. I did earlier. I don't know, the band's changed a lot, but I want you, after you eat, to come up and look at the dial on this. First of all, you got a world map across here that shows all the time zones of the world. And then on the bands, it lists places like Baoding, Tangier, Brazil, Geneva, Argentina, Marianas Islands, USSR, Caracas, all up and down the shortwave bands. And in the 1950s, had you turned this radio on, it tells you what time of day, too. You would tune up and down, and you could just tune to the name of the country, and you would hear the shortwave broadcast from that country. So let's see if we got anything on.
33. Well, that whole section, which I'll go back to read, but 633 in particular, where he says, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God."
So now you get a lot of religious stations, so we're all saved. This is on, it looks like it's on about 6.8 megahertz or something like that. It's somewhere in there. So all up and down these bands, you can still get these shortwave broadcasts. It's very cool. And doing these restorations is a lot of fun. You tear everything down to the chassis, you clean it up, and the outside and the inside, I had to take everything down all the way down to the inside in order to fix things like the band switch and the dials and things like that. So that's what a little bit of what I've been working on this year. So Hallicrafters World-Wide.
Thanks, Dean.